it's What About Frank? Just wanted to do a quick unboxing on a impulse buy that I got from EBX Games. It's the Marvel Legends series War Machine Punisher helmet. I couldn't help myself. It looked badass. I might actually do a cosplay on it. So here's me unboxing again. There is the helmet. It looks pretty detailed. And it's got some weathering on it. Doesn't feel too heavy, so I don't think it'll strain my my neck. But the sizing is perfect. It fits my big cranium. It also has a little flap on the back, I guess, so in case you got to get your head in and out. It does light up. I had to put some couple of AA batteries in there. It's got a little button on the inside, and you could makes a little noise as well. Cool. Oh. You can't see it, but as you press it, the eyes kind of dim or dim. The eyes lit up. I can kind of see, but not as well. You kind of have to shut them off, but I don't think it was made for you to kind of wander around. The faceplate does come on and off. It's magnetic. Ooh. Makes more noises. So it does make that noise, and I guess it slides over the top like that. So you can kind of wear it open. Cool. I need the rest of the costume. And that's the closure. Pretty badass. Let's see if I can get it to do it again. Now, I kind of wish it was automatic. Maybe I could add that in later if I knew how to do electronics. If I knew how to properly do electronics. But other than that, it is pretty cool looking. I did get it for a pretty good price compared to other stuff I bought off of them. Other than that, it's kind of plain. Other than that, but I mean, they did do some cool weathering on it. Punisher skull on it. The paint job's not bad. I would recommend this, especially for cosplaying or if you just want to keep it as a collector's item. Personally, I'm going to use it for cosplaying. I'm thinking of actually making or getting a suit 3D printed, like a War Machine, to kind of go along with it, see how it turns out. I might put some videos out on it as well. If you got any comments or anything else, don't forget to comment down below or subscribe for more cosplay stuff or Marvel Legends series stuff or crazy stuff I'm doing.